In the past, lighter bikes meant sacrificing speed. However, modern lightweight cycles offer a comfortable ride without compromising efficiency or aerodynamics, often meeting or even falling below the UCI's 6.8 kg limit. Disc brakes, once heavier, are now integrated into lightweight, stiff frames with through axles. Wheel rim constraints have been eliminated, further reducing weight. In today's video, we will show you the top 5 lightweight cycles that combine speed, comfort, and innovative technology for an unparalleled riding experience. So, without further ado, let's get straight into it. The Canondale Lab 71 SuperSix Evo is an extraordinary racing bike, built to be extremely lightweight and fast. Think of it as the Ferrari of bicycles, crafted for top performance. One of its standout features is the wireless gear system, which allows you to change gears at the touch of a button, without any messy cables. This makes for a cleaner, more streamlined design. The bike's wheels are specially shaped, similar to an airplane wing, to reduce drag and cut smoothly through the air. The handlebars and frame were developed with input from car designers, ensuring maximum aerodynamics. Additionally, it is equipped with advanced electronic components, including a power meter that measures how much effort you're putting in, and high-end ceramic bearings that make the wheels spin smoothly with minimal resistance. The Canyon Ultimate is like a superhero among bikes. It is packed with impressive features that make it a top-level racing machine. Its frame is made from high-quality carbon fiber, making it extremely light yet strong, especially around the pedaling area where extra power is needed. The bike can fit wider tires up to 32 mm, which means you get a more comfortable ride and better grip on different road surfaces. Its shape was designed with help from Swiss experts to cut through the air more efficiently, helping riders go faster with less effort. The bike comes with a special handlebar system that lets riders adjust the height and width while keeping all cables hidden inside for a clean look. It's equipped with electronic gear shifting systems from either Shimano or SRAM and uses professional-grade lightweight carbon wheels that help riders accelerate quickly and maintain high speeds easily. The Athos bike stands out with its incredibly lightweight frame of just 585 grams and about 6 chocolate bars, making it the lightest disc brake bike ever sold. It features wide tire clearance up to 32 mm for a smoother ride and uses a special frame shape that keeps it strong despite using fewer layers of carbon fiber. The bike comes with a threaded bottom bracket for easy maintenance, special alpinist wheels for extra lightness, and a design that helps riders feel more connected to their bike. Whether you're climbing hills, going on long rides, or just cruising around, the Athos is built to make cycling more enjoyable rather than just focusing on racing performance. Its unique combination of features creates a bike that's both super light and super fun to ride. The BMC Teammachine SLR is a super advanced racing bike that helps set the standard for modern bikes. It's made from premium carbon fiber, which is the same material used in spaceships, and weighs just 6.7 kilograms, about as much as 2 gallons of milk. The bike's frame was designed by computers that tested thousands of different shapes to find the perfect balance of lightness and strength. It has special holders for water bottles that are shaped to help the bike cut through the air faster, and all the cables are hidden inside the frame to make it more aerodynamic. The bike uses wireless electronic gears that shift with just a button press, and comes with special racing wheels and tires that can be used without inner tubes for a smoother ride. The Open Min.D is a special road bike that combines old-school classic looks with modern technology. It comes in a beautiful midnight blue color and is designed to ride fast and comfortable. The frame is super light and built from carbon fiber, with special thin tubes that help absorb bumps in the road. This bike's special seat tube design makes it unique. It's one continuous piece from bottom to top, making your ride smoother. The bike can fit wider tires, up to 33 mm, for extra comfort on rough roads, and all the cables are neatly hidden inside the frame. It comes in two versions, one with a single gear in front and another with 2 gears, so riders can choose what works best for them. So that was all about the top 5 lightweight cycles for a comfortable ride. Which one you liked the most? Let us know in the comment below.